Hello Patrick people, and welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, and today I'd like to formally introduce the 2019 BMW X7. Now let's dive right in and check out some cool standard features on the new X7. While we're outside, how about we cover the different engines available in the 19 X7. So this guy is the 2019 X7 5.0, so it's going to come with a 4.4 liter V8 with 456 horsepower. Now you can opt for the X7 4.0, which is going to be the inline 6-cylinder with 335 horsepower. So let's go check out the back and see what we have in store. You also have a couple different options for tire sizes. The X7 will come standard with a 21-inch rim, and you can also opt for a optional 22-inch rim. Now, along with standard 2-axle air suspension, the X7 also has a power split tailgate. So what exactly does that mean? Well, let's demonstrate. Say you open the trunk up like this, and we got this nifty little split tailgate. So now you can pull down this tailgate as a press of a button. So this button right here is going to electronically put this guy down for easier loading, and this button, when you press it, will actually lower your standard air suspension to make loading easier as well. So if you want to lower this portion, just press that button like that. Now if you want to close it, just press it again. Now let's go check out the standard features of the interior of the new 19 X7. So some other cool features that your X7 comes standard with is your active driving assistant. Now that's going to include both your lane departure warning, blind spot detection, frontal collision warning, cross traffic rear alert, as well as speed limit information. You're also going to have the panoramic moonroof. Let's go check that out. And as you can see, the moonroof extends all the way to the back, so that way even third row passengers can get a glimpse of the outside world. You're also going to have electronic power seats in all 3 of your rows. Now the third row is going to come standard in the X7 as well. Now a couple other cool features is your ambient lighting is going to be standard, as well as your comfort access. Now your comfort access has been upgraded for the new iDrive 7.0. We're going to go over that in a later video, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and come on down to Patrick BMW and let's go for a test drive. And see you later, Patrick people.